You learned how to order a coffee. Ich möchte einen Kaffee, bitte. Textbook perfect. And then the person behind the counter fires something back at you and you just freeze.
Passiert jedem. It happens to everyone. Because real Germans don't order like the textbook. They use these tiny little words that make it sound natural, and nobody ever teaches you those.
That's so true. I always sound like a robot. Ich möchte einen Kaffee. Beep, boop.
Genau das ändern wir heute. That's exactly what we fixed today. How a real German orders, reacts, and pays at a cafe. Not the textbook version, the stuff you'll actually hear.
So by the end, I can walk into a German cafe and not panic.
Versprochen. Promised. And here's the secret most learners miss. It's not about more vocabulary. It's about a handful of small words that make everything sound locker, relaxed. Bereit? Ready?
Bereit, let's go.
Los geht's. Here we go. First, the order itself. In the textbook, you learned Ich möchte einen Kaffee, bitte. It's correct, it's polite, but it sounds a bit stiff.
Right, like I rehearsed it for a week.
Yeah, what real Germans actually say is shorter. Ich krieg einen Cappuccino. I'll get a cappuccino. Or even just einen Cappuccino, bitte.
Wait, kriegen means to get? That feels too casual to order with.
Das ist der Punkt. That's the point. It's exactly what makes you sound like a local. Ich krieg einen Milchkaffee. Ich krieg ein Wasser. Super normal.
Ich krieg einen Milchkaffee. Okay, I already feel cooler.
And it's not just coffee. Ein Tee, eine heiße Schokolade, ein Wasser. Same pattern every time. Ich krieg einen Tee, bitte.
Ich krieg eine heiße Schokolade. With extra cream, please.
Haha, cream is Sahne, and mit Sahne is a very important phrase. We'll get to the cake in a minute, don't worry. And if you don't know what to pick, here's a golden question. Was können Sie empfehlen? What can you recommend?
Was können Sie empfehlen? Oh, that makes me sound like a regular.
Genau, and the person behind the counter will love you for it. Zusammenfassung. Forget ich möchte, say ich krieg, and ask was können Sie empfehlen? You already sound natural. Now this is the part nobody teaches you, and it's the real secret. Germans drop these tiny words into sentences all the time. They barely translate, but they make you sound like one of them.
Tiny, untranslatable words. Okay, I'm nervous, but ready.
First one, mal. It softens what you say. Compare machen Sie mir einen Kaffee sounds like a command. Machen Sie mir mal einen Kaffee sounds friendly, easygoing.
So mal is like just make me a coffee.
Ganz genau. Exactly right. Next, genau. It means exactly, and Germans say it constantly to agree. The barista repeats your order, you just say genau.
Genau. Easy. One word, I sound fluent.
Ha, pretty much. Next, passt. Literally, it fits, but it means that works or all good. The barista says cappuccino, 4 Euro. You say passt.
Passt. I love how short these are.
Here's another tiny one. Na? You stick it at the end to check the other person agrees. Einen Cappuccino? Na? It's like saying right.
Einen Cappuccino, ne? So casual. I love it.
And when you suddenly understand something, you say, ach so. It means, oh, I see. The barista explains the special, you go, ach so.
Ach so. Okay, my German is getting dangerously good.
Haha, Zusammenfassung. Mal softens, genau and passt are your yes, that's right words. Ne checks agreement, and ach so means now I get it. Sprinkle them in and you instantly sound less robotic. Now, no German cafe is complete without Kuchen, cake, and Germans take their cake very, very seriously.
Finally, my favorite topic. How do I order a slice?
Ein Stück bitte. A piece. Ein Stück Apfelkuchen, ein Stück Käsekuchen. Apple cake, cheesecake.
Ein Stück Käsekuchen, bitte. And then the cream question again?
Genau. They'll ask, mit Sahne, with cream? You just say, ja, gerne, or nein, danke.
Mit Sahne? Ja, gerne. Obviously gerne. Always gerne.
Ha! And if you want it heated, just say, ein bisschen warm, bitte. A little warm. Perfect with the coffee.
Ein Stück Apfelkuchen, ein bisschen warm, mit Sahne. I just ordered the perfect afternoon.
Zusammenfassung: ein Stück for a slice, mit Sahne for cream, ein bisschen warm if you want it heated. You are officially living the German cafe life. Time to pay. The person asks, Zusammen oder getrennt? Together or separate?
Oh, this is the supermarket flashback. Zusammen is together, getrennt is separate.
Du erinnerst dich. You remember. If you're alone, you can ignore it. If you're with a friend, Zusammen bitte or getrennt bitte.
And then the classic question, cash or card?
Bar oder mit Karte? And remember, in smaller cafes, it can still be nur Bargeld, cash only, so always keep some cash.
Mit Karte bitte. And then the magic phrase you teased?
Yes, the most German cafe phrase ever, Stimmt so. It means keep the change. Your coffee is 3,80 €, you give 4 €, you say Stimmt so, and you walk out like a local.
Stimmt so. 2 words and I tipped like a German. That's amazing.
And if you just want the bill, say die Rechnung bitte, the bill please, or just können wir zahlen? Can we pay?
Die Rechnung bitte. Stimmt so. I'm basically running this cafe now.
Ha, Zusammenfassung, zusammen or getrennt, bar oder mit Karte, die Rechnung bitte, and the king of cafe phrases, stimmt so. Before we finish, a quick speed round, the little survival phrases you'll need in any cafe. Ready?
Ready. Hit me.
1. Ist hier noch frei? Is this seat free? Super useful when the cafe's busy.
Ist hier noch frei? Asking before I sit down. Polite.
2. Könnte ich die Karte haben? Could I have the menu? Karte means card, but also menu.
Könnte ich die Karte haben? Got it.
3. Wo ist die Toilette? Where's the bathroom? You will need this one, trust me.
Wo ist die Toilette? The most important sentence in any language.
Exactly. And 4. To get the waiter's attention politely, just say Entschuldigung, excuse me. Never shout, just a soft Entschuldigung.
Entschuldigung. Soft, polite German. I like it.
Quick recap, Max. What did you learn today?
Today I learned order with ich krieg, not ich möchte. Sprinkle in mal, genau, passt, ne. Get ein Stück Kuchen mit Sahne. And pay with Stimmt so like a local.
Perfect. And the survival phrases, ist hier noch frei? Könnte ich die Karte haben? And the big one, wo ist die Toilette?
My brain is full and my coffee is cold, but I am ready.
Ha! And here's the one thing I really want you to do. Don't just watch this and forget it. Next time you're at a cafe, actually use one of these phrases. Just one.
Because if I use it, it sticks.
Ganz genau. Real progress happens in the small, everyday moments, one stimmt so at a time.
So here's our question for you at home. What's the most awkward thing that ever happened to you ordering in another language? Tell us in the comments. We want the cringe.
Und denk dran, and remember, just try. Germans love it when you handle the cafe like a pro, or at least try.
And next time we tackle something everyone's reads, talking on the phone in German. Bis zum nächsten Mal.
Tschüss!